And welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on using Microsoft Excel to calculate profit margin. So here we have our template, and what we have here is a data table showing the item, so the name of the item. We then have the revenue or the sale price of the item, the cost, which is the cost of the item that we are selling. We then have our profit, and we're going to show in this example how to calculate the profit, and then we are going to also calculate the profit margin. So the first thing we need to do is decide how much we're selling our oranges for. So just for the sake of this example, let's say we're going to sell each orange for $2. So we put 2 in here, and we're going to make this a dollar amount value. So $2. The cost of the orange, let's just say for example's sake that the orange costs us 75 cents. So let's put in here 75 cents. Again, we want to change this to a dollar value. So we click on the dollar value here. Now we want to calculate our profit. And in order to do that, we want to subtract the cost from the revenue. So in here, we put in equals, showing that we're going to be using a formula, and we're going to subtract this number, and we are going to take away this number here. So in order to do that, we select B2, and we put in a dash or a minus sign, and then we put in our cost, and then we hit enter. And there you can see our profit is $1.25. Next, we're going to calculate our profit margin. And in order to do that, again, we are going to be in this cell here, and we're going to start off with our formula. And we are going to say we need to divide the profit by the revenue. So we have here in our formula, we're going to say equals our profit divided by, so we use our forward slash, and then our revenue, and we hit enter on that, and there we have it. We have a 63% profit margin on these oranges that we are selling for $2 each. That cost us 75 cents, and we have a profit margin of 63%, and on each orange we're making $1.25. So that's how you calculate profit margin using Excel. If you like this video, check out the next one.